Want to know how to improve your business and marketing videos like that? My name is Sheryl Plouffe. I am a video strategist, and in this video I'm going to show you a really simple thing that you can do today that's going to improve your videos, and it all has to do with framing. So imagine that you have a tic-tac-toe grid, and we overlay that on top of the frame of where you're seeing me in the screen right now. We would have two vertical lines and we would have two horizontal lines. I want you to line up your eye line with that top horizontal line. Watch what happens if you don't do that. So if I were to have my eye line way too high in the frame, there's no headroom and it's out of proportion. The opposite is true. If I am too high in my eye line, and I see this all the time, this is the most common mistake I see, eye line here in the middle, there's way too much headroom and it doesn't work. So all you need to do is make sure that your eye line is lined up with that top third imaginary line, and you will improve your business and marketing videos like that.